I'm delighted to be here today to welcome you to the e-marketing support workshop for small and medium enterprise tour and activity operators. Our government is working in partnership with the South Pacific Tourism Organisation to pilot this project, and today is the first of two workshops that will be held in Fiji, the second one being in Savusavu next week. This workshop follows the vision of our Fijian government to enhance sustainable growth and economic contribution of both small and medium tour and activity operators in Fiji. The Fiji First government is committed to strengthening our Fijian tourism industry and leveraging its performance to benefit all Fijians with partnerships such as this one today. Through this workshop, we hope to enhance marketing and business viability of all small and medium tour and activity operators by improving your e-marketing capabilities. This pilot project is being implemented within the framework of the Pacific Regional Tourism Capacity Building Program with the generous help of the European Union through SPTO. Fiji has been selected as the first country in the region to benefit from this pilot project, and we envisage many more projects such as this being rolled out in the months to come. Vinaka, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, you are the key to a sustainable and resilient economy, and that is why the Bainimarama government has ensured that appropriate mechanisms are put in motion to ensure that effective support is provided to you. Apart from creating economic opportunities through exports, investments, employment, and poverty reduction, I believe that the main benefit is developing the internal capacities of our nation. When more emphasis is placed on the support and promotion of SMEs, our country will be able to address our unemployment problems and create more business activities that will further grow economic growth. Unlike previous governments, we have made and will continue to make every effort to put in place effective policies and provide the necessary capital investment that will help make business viable and successful. It's a team effort, and we're fully committed to playing our part. In addition to this partnership, my ministry is also responsible for a number of initiatives that are targeted to SME development, such as micro and small enterprise grants, business mentoring, training and support provided through the National Centre for Small and Medium Enterprises, and the registration and monitoring of cooperatives. Fiji has been a member of SPTO for 27 years, and we see programs such as this as an ideal way to strengthen this relationship. The exchange of knowledge and experience between member countries will continue to move the region forward as a force to be reckoned with amongst our partners and competitors in the global marketplace. Ladies and gentlemen, you are all part of a very crucial and dynamic industry, an industry that is the largest contributor to Fiji's economy, and an industry that employs 1/3 of our country's working population. It is the vision of our government to further grow this industry, and we will continue to create platforms that will assist and encourage you to increase your earnings. Through this workshop, you will be empowered with tools that will to make optimum use of the digital platforms currently available to reach your customers more efficiently and increase your online visibility, which in turn will increase your sales. This will have a ripple effect, leading to increased tourism earnings and in the end contribute to a vibrant and healthier Fiji economy. Ladies and gentlemen, I encourage you to use this workshop to learn as much as you can to help move tourism forward. It is your confidence, your commitment, your vision, and your hard work that will steer the fortunes of this industry on which every Fijian depends. Before I conclude, let me thank the South Pacific Tourism Organisation for initiating this program and for securing the services of Mr. Rob Shortland to guide you. Vinaka as well to our ministry team who have worked hand in hand with their counterparts at SPTO to make this possible today. And lastly, thank you to all of you, our workshop participants, for attending, and I sincerely hope that you will pick up some great ideas that will help grow your individual businesses. It is now my great pleasure to officially declare the 2015 E-Marketing Support for Tourism Small and Medium-Sized Enterprises Workshop open. Vinaka Votualevu, thank you and enjoy.